Standard 7 English Medium Subject English. Lesson number 1.5 Seeing Eyes Helping Hands. Everyone in New Vision High School was busy. The inauguration of the project Seeing Eyes Helping Hands was scheduled to take place next week. It was getting late for sending out the invitations. At last, the principal herself prepared the formal invitation. The art teacher and her students made copies of it. Here is a sample of what they did. We solicit your presence at the inauguration of our project, Seeing Eyes Helping Hands, at the hands of Srimati Vimala Naik, former principal of New Vision High School and President, Sahayak Samaj. Dr. A. M. Chaudhary, Dean, New Life Medical College and Hospital, has kindly agreed to preside over the function. Time 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Sunday, 9th July 2017. Venue Assembly Hall, New Vision High School, off Main Street, Girgaon. Suhasini Ambekar, Principal, New Vision High School. V. S. Ajinkya, Teacher in Charge, SEHH. Komal Shelar, Nitin Walke, Student Secretaries, SEHH. Also, a notice was put upon the school notice board to invite the students and parents to the inaugural function. Notice: students of Standard 7 and their parents are invited to the inauguration of the project Seeing Eyes Helping Hands at the hands of Srimati Vimala Naik, former principal of New Vision High School and President Sahayak Samaj. Dr. A. M. Chaudhary, Dean, New Life Medical College and Hospital, has kindly agreed to preside over the function. Time 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Sunday, 9th July 2017. Venue Assembly Hall, New Vision High School, off Main Street, Girgaon. Teachers made phone calls to some special invitees. Here is a sample of one such telephone conversation. Receptionist: Hello, Girgaon Times. Teacher: Good morning. I am Vishwas Ajinkya from New Vision High School. Could I speak to your news editor, Mr. Shashank, please? Receptionist: Just a sec. Teacher: Thank you. News editor: Hello, Mr. Ajinkya. Shashank speaking. How are you? Teacher: Fine. How are you? News editor: Fine. Teacher: Mr. Shashank, I have a request. I am calling from New Vision High School. Our school is starting a new social work project. The inauguration is on the coming Sunday. We are sending you an official invitation today. News editor: I see. Teacher: Our idea is to make our students aware of their social responsibilities. It will be a big project and we hope it will set a trend for all schools to follow. We would like your paper to cover the function prominently. News editor: Well, this Sunday is going to be a busy day. But as you say, the project is an important one. It should get good publicity. When did you say is the function? Teacher: This Sunday at 10 in the morning. News editor: Fine. I have made a note of it. Teacher: Thank you very much. Students passed on the message to their parents. Here's a sample. Mummy, you and Daddy are invited to our school on Sunday the 9th, said Samir. What's the occasion? Our school is going to run a project called Seeing Eyes Helping Hands. There's a function to inaugurate it on Sunday at 10 sharp. Students of 7th standard are invited with their parents. Where is it? In the school assembly hall. How long will it be? About an hour. Mrs. Naik will be there too. She is going to inaugurate it. I see. And what's this project about? Oh, we are all going to visit places and work for others, turn by turn. They'll explain that on Sunday. So you are going to participate in it, aren't you? Yes, Mommy. Let's see. Daddy and I can't both go, but one of us will accompany you. That would be nice, because Mr. Ajinkya has specially asked all the students to tell their parents about it.